If you're still doing everything manually in your business, you're leaving hours on the table every week. These 5 AI tools will change how you work in 2026. ChatGPT is your new business assistant. Write emails, generate marketing ideas, respond to customers, and plan content in seconds. Jasper AI creates high-converting marketing copy. From ads to emails to website text, done professionally and fast. Notion keeps your entire business organized. Tasks, notes, content plans, all in one place, no mess. Zapier connects your tools and automates the boring stuff. A new form entry? Instantly added to your CRM and email list. And Pictory turns plain text into videos, no editing skills needed. It's the easiest way to create video content for your business. So let's recap. ChatGPT for daily tasks. Jasper for marketing. Notion for organization. Zapier for automation. And Pictory for video creation. Links are in the description. Try them out and watch your business run smarter.